If you've been in a car wreck recently, you know how frustrating it can be to work with the insurance company to ensure that you are appropriately compensated. David Greene from Greene and Phillips Injury Lawyers is here to provide some tips on how to level the playing field. David, it's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Of course. So first off, why do you think these insurance companies can be so difficult to deal with sometimes?
Well, it's their business model. They're not bad people. They have a simple business model. They charge for insurance premiums, and the way they make money is by not having to pay out claims. And so most of them all play by the rules, and they do a good job. But you need to have a personal injury lawyer representing your best interest that can level the playing field with that gigantic insurance company. They have all these rules. All their adjusters go to all these seminars. They know what to say, how to say things. And we're all doing our jobs. We're running around, taking care of families and supporting ourselves and families. And maybe we don't know the exact thing to say or what not to say. A personal injury lawyer can guide you on what to say, when to say it, how to say it. Not specifically what to say, but sort of how to say it. And so it's very important to talk to someone if you're involved in a crash before you talk to the other driver's insurance company. It can kill your case in Alabama if you answer the questions in a way that they will ask a question in a way that can really kill your case. So you need to make sure you don't talk to the insurance company until you talk to a personal injury lawyer.
Yeah, call 911, then
right.
Call our friends at Greene and Phillips. So if an insurance company reaches out offering a check, should that raise any red flags for us?
That's a red flag.
Yeah.
That's a red flag. A lot of times you have some great companies out there, not trying to pick on the insurance companies, and their mode or their business model is to call you and say, hey, listen, we'll offer you $500, offer you $1,000, offer you something to get the case settled. You don't want to do that. You want to talk to someone first, but more importantly, like you said, 911 is first. Seek medical treatment, and then sit down with a lawyer before you talk to the insurance company and get the advice that you need to make sure you make the right decision that's best for you.
So after an accident, what would be the first thing you guys do for us?
Well, number one is we want to make sure that we get our investigators out to investigate the scene. That really makes a big difference for someone's case to investigate. We have former state troopers that are no longer with the state of Alabama that work for us, that are investigators. They can make contact and find out sort of what happened, go to the scene, make sure they lock down the case. Make sure they lock down your story, because evidence leaves the first time it rains, the first time a car drives through and knocks a piece of material off the road. You really need to get someone that's going to get involved, investigate the scene, order your medical records, help guide you through the process, and then resolve your case with the insurance company or file suit and go to trial and get verdicts. And Greene and Phillips tries cases, as we all know.
Wow. All right. Well, contacting a lawyer may seem daunting, but I promise you our friends at Greene and Phillips are ready to help you. How can someone reach out to you guys at Greene and Phillips?
It's very simple. GreenePhillips.com is the best way, whether you're in Mobile or in Birmingham, and fill out the form and reach out to us on that. We'll have someone get right back to you and get answers that you need.
All right, David. Well, thank you for being here today. Again, locations in Mobile and Birmingham. They're going to have more on their website.